I'm Terry, and this is my daughter, Kara, who I have called Caker Baker for years because she is the baker. She loves to cook in the kitchen, always has. We've cooked together around holiday season. And today we're going to be making a caramel pecan pie. It's Kara's recipe, and it's special because it is caramely, so tasty. And the other thing that makes it so special is we're using native pecans versus big paper shell pecans. These are so much tastier, and they're natively grown in Oklahoma.
So the caramel replaces the Karo syrup in a regular pecan pie, and it's just so much tastier in our opinion. It's richer, creamier, and it gets that like jelly kind of texture out of it. Okay, I already turned the oven on, set it to 350. While it's heating up, we're gonna get the pie crust ready. You take it out and you're gonna just roll it out into your pretty pie dish.
Or did you want me to do it?
No, you're good at it. And we just bought ours from the store, but you can home make your own if you want.
Once you get it fitted in, you just take 2 knuckles and another knuckle and do this all the way around.
It makes it a pretty little scallop to look around the whole edge.
Sound like we've done.
All right, so you grab your caramel bowl and your butter, and you're gonna turn it to medium heat and put them in one at a time. And this part's probably the longest part of the whole recipe because you just gotta have some patience and be stirring the whole time so it doesn't stick to the bottom. We've tried so many different pecans in Oklahoma. We've picked them all our lives. From your yard, even from like parks, we loved picking them and then tasting them. And these pecans are the best pecans I've ever tasted.
By far. They're
So
buttery
you guys,
tasting.
if you love pecans, you haven't tried anything yet until you try these. The native pecans. This is when it's ready to add the milk in. It's all melted together. You just pour the milk in. It's 1/4 cup of milk. Add it in, and then you can just set that off to the side. It's like, ooh, yummy milk. All right, now we're over to this bowl where you add the sugar. Mom, do you want to start cracking these eggs?
Into the bowl?
Yeah, or maybe just crack them. Let's crack them into here so if we get any shells, we can get them out. But we won't because we're professional bakers.
No, for sure though.
And then it's a teaspoon of vanilla. So we've got our 3 eggs and stir it up. Do you want to do this, Mom, and I can get the pan? Okay. Now you get this delicious caramel gooiness and pour it right in. Get it all mixed together.
To us, it's so much better than a regular pecan pie. Regular pecan pie is yummy, but if you love caramel, you're gonna love a caramel pecan pie.
For this recipe, you need a cup of delicious native pecans and an extra cup just to eat off. Wow, you're making it because it's so delicious. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. So here you go, right into the pie crust. So just like that, and then we're gonna slide it into the oven. It looks perfect.
Oh yeah, we can't wait to eat some of that.
Now it's time to cut the pie and finally get to eat it.
I wanna make sure I get a pecan in there.
It's so good.
Delicious.
I'm gonna eat it all.
We can't wait for you to try a caramel pecan pie and see if you like it better than regular pecan pie or if you like pecan pie better. Everybody has different tastes.
Yep.
We love this one.
I'm gonna eat mine and then I'm gonna eat yours.
Then I'll get the rest of it.
Okay.